Hello and welcome you all in this session. Today we are going to see about bank reconciliation statement. In this video, following points will be covered: meaning, need, causes of differences, procedure for preparation of bank reconciliation and format of bank reconciliation statement. I, Dr. Archana Pramod Khandelwal, Assistant Professor and Head, Department of Accounts and Statistics from Shankarlal Khandelwal Arts, Commerce and Science College, welcome you all in this session. Cash book is used to keep records of cash account as well as bank account. The bank column of cash book represents a summary of bank transactions. Besides this, bank also provide account detail to its customers in the form of bank statement or passbook. Though these two accounts should have congruity, yet difference between the balances of bank column of cash book and balance of passbook may exist. Bank reconciliation statement is prepared to find out the difference between these two balances. A businessman always interested to know the causes of difference between these two account balances. Bank reconciliation statement helps in reconciling the balances of passbook and bank column of cash book by tracing the reasons of disagreement between these two balances. Then we see need for bank reconciliation statement. Unlike other accounting records, the preparation of bank reconciliation statement is not mandatory, but it is prepared by business organizations to check whether the transactions related to bank are properly recorded in bank column of cash book and the same information being updated by bank in their passbook. Causes of differences between balances of bank account and passbook. There may be certain different reasons for difference in balances of passbook and bank account. The time lag between issuing of check by the business unit and presenting it for collection. The time lag between the sending of checks for collection and its actual collection. Bank may import certain charges for services. As soon as bank provides service, charges are deducted from respective to the bank account, but it comes to the notice of businessman when it receives bank statement or bank passbook. Receipt of direct payment on behalf of business, that is collection of payment from debtors, also leads to difference between balance of bank and passbook, since bank records these transactions as soon as the amount is collected, where the business unit comes to know about this transaction when it receives bank statement. Due to the errors of recording or posting transactions, there may be difference between the two balances. So these are the reasons for differences between the bank balance as per passbook and as per bank book. Now we will see the procedure for preparing bank reconciliation statement. Depending on frequency of banking transaction, bank reconciliation statements are prepared towards the end of selected duration, which may be month, year, 3 month, quarterly, half yearly or yearly. It depends on business unit. First of all, you have to update cash book and calculation of balances as per bank column for the duration of bank reconciliation statement. Thereafter, request for bank statement is sent to bank to get the information about balance of bank account as per bank record. To prepare bank reconciliation statement, either balance of cash book or passbook is taken as a base. After this, causes of differences are traced and their effects are analyzed to make necessary adjustment. If passbook is taken as a base to prepare bank reconciliation statement, passbook would be considered as the base book and cash book is considered as other book. The cost which increases the balance of other book is added to the balance of base book. On the other hand, the cost which decreases the balance of other book is subtracted from the balance of base book. In case of bank overdraft, it should be transferred to minus column and bank reconciliation statement should be prepared accordingly. Now we will see the format of bank reconciliation statement. This is one format. In this there are three columns: particulars, amount plus and amount minus. First of all, we have to take balance as per cash book. It is written in plus column. Then check sent for collection but not collected, it is written in minus column. Check issued but not presented for payment, plus column. Dividend received, we have to record it in plus column. Bank charges debited by bank, we have to record this transaction in minus column because bank has already deducted that charges from our account. Now the answer will come balance as per passbook. In case of overdraft, it is shown in minus column and the format is same. This is the second format of bank reconciliation statement. In this format, add or less is written on left hand first column side, and then particular and then amount. Amount which are added are written first, and then amount deducted will be written after that in less column, and last balance as per passbook will come, and again same in case of overdraft it is shown as minus amount. Now we will see some MCQs on which are asked on bank reconciliation chapters. First, bank reconciliation statement is prepared by traders, bank, seller or student. The answer is it is prepared by trader. Bank does not prepare bank reconciliation statement. Seller also does not prepare bank reconciliation statement, and students are also not prepared bank reconciliation statement. It is prepared by trader to know the banking financial transactions are recorded same as in our bank book and same in passbook. Bank statement is called credit book, passbook, cash book, debit book. Obviously its answer is passbook. When check is not paid by the bank, it is called honor, endorsed, dishonor, all of the above. Its answer is dishonor. When overdraft means debit balance of credit book, passbook, sales book, purchase book, definitely its answer is passbook. Credit book, sales book and purchase book are not related with bank reconciliation statement. These are separate subsidiary books prepared by the businessman. Bank gives overdraft facility to dash account: saving account, current account, fixed deposit account, recurring account. Its answer is current account. Bank reconciliation statement is part of cash book, rent of passbook, separate statement, none of above. Its answer is separate statement. So this is all about bank reconciliation statement. Thank you very much.